Number 1.
1986 Chevrolet C20, price $9,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a white exterior paired with a black interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. The paint is inexpensive, and the bodywork was not completed to a high standard. However, the truck runs and drives great and is road-ready, capable of being driven anywhere with confidence. The heater functions properly, ensuring comfort in colder weather. It comes with new tires and wheels, along with new front brakes and calipers, including brake lines. The carburetor and breather are new, and the truck has received a complete tune-up. This includes new spark plugs and wires, a new distributor cap and rotor button, new belts and hoses, and a new fuel filter. Additionally, new headers are included, although they have not yet been installed.
Number 2.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It currently shows 125,000 miles and is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. Finished in a clean white exterior with a blue interior, equipped with roll-up windows and power steering, the truck offers a classic driving experience with added comfort and ease of handling. It retains its original door panels, adding to its authenticity and vintage appeal.
The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well overall.
It does require a new freeze plug, but aside from that, it remains a solid. As an added bonus, the sale includes 2 brand new replacement doors still in their original boxes, never installed. This vehicle comes with a clean title, making it a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a true classic American pickup.
Number 3.
1986 Jeep Comanche, price $7,500. Well-preserved classic pickup that has traveled 88,000 miles and continues to perform reliably. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission, this truck delivers a more engaging and traditional driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. Finished in a clean white exterior over a bold red interior, it offers a striking color combination that enhances its vintage appeal.
The truck is currently running and driving well, showing clear signs of proper care and maintenance over the years.
The paint remains in nice condition for its age, while the interior has been thoughtfully kept and still presents well. In addition, it sits on a strong set of tires, making it road-ready without the need for immediate upgrades.
Number 4.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,200, comes with 136,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This regular cab, short bed 4x4 is powered by a 5.3L engine and holds a clean title, which is in hand. The truck runs and drives great, showing strong performance both on and off the road. It has recently received new tires along with front-end components, as well as new shocks and brakes, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. Additional upgrades include tinted windows, a dual exhaust system, and a touchscreen Bluetooth radio, along with several tasteful modifications that enhance both its appearance and functionality. The body is completely rust-free, and the only noted cosmetic issue is some faded paint. Overall, it is a solid and well-maintained truck with no mechanical problems.
Number 5.
1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,100, equipped with a powerful 454 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering strong towing capability along with precise driver control. With only 115,000 miles on the odometer, it represents a solid example of a low-mileage, work-ready truck for its age. The regular cab dually configuration further enhances its stability and hauling capacity, making it especially suitable for heavy-duty tasks. The truck is finished in an attractive burgundy exterior complemented by a matching burgundy interior, giving it a clean and uniform appearance throughout. It has recently received new paint, which adds to its fresh and well-cared-for look. Mechanical updates include a new clutch kit, new tires, and a rebuilt front end, all of which contribute to its reliable performance on the road.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,988, dependable full-size pickup truck equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It has 210,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior complemented by a gray interior, offering a clean and timeless color combination that still looks great today. This truck runs and drives excellent, delivering smooth performance on the road. It has been kept clean both inside and out, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The automatic transmission provides comfortable and easy driving, while the gasoline engine offers reliable power suitable for daily use, light hauling, or work needs. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is ready to go and prepared for its next owner.
Number 7.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, well-maintained full-size pickup with 221,000 miles on the odometer.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This regular cab, long bed configuration comes with a V6 engine and rear-wheel drive.
The truck features a white exterior paired with a beige interior, offering a clean and classic look. Mechanically, the truck is in strong condition. It has recently received several updates, including a new fuel pump, new rear brakes, and a new transmission filter. The tires are in good shape, and it is fitted with a Bluetooth radio for added convenience. Both the air conditioning and heating systems function properly, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions.
Number 8.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, classic full-size pickup finished in a brown exterior and equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Under the hood, it features a newly installed 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and dependable power. This truck is described as extremely solid and well-maintained, running and driving great with no known issues in its operation. It has undergone several important updates and improvements, making it both reliable and refreshed. Recent new parts include carpet, door panels, radiator, gas tank, windshield, dash pad, speakers, and a water pump. These upgrades enhance both the mechanical reliability and the interior comfort of the vehicle.
Number 9.
1995 Ford F150, price $3,800, well-maintained classic pickup that remains solid and dependable for its age. This truck has 211,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a strong 5.0L V8 engine, delivering reliable performance. It features a 4x4 drivetrain with a floor-mounted transfer case shifter, offering capable off-road functionality when needed. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered F-150 runs and drives well.
It comes with a clean title and is overall in good condition considering its year.
This 4x4 pickup combines durability, practicality, and classic Ford styling, making it a great option for those seeking a dependable older truck.
Number 10.
1979 Dodge D150, price $5,500, equipped with a 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 102,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. This truck was well optioned for its time, featuring dual fuel tanks, factory air conditioning, and cruise control. Although the truck spent most of its life outdoors and shows some reparable rust issues, the frame remains solid, as does the overall cab structure. The driver's side floor pan was previously replaced, but the repair was poorly done and has since rusted through again. The cab corners and cab mounts are in fairly decent condition. Rust is present along the roof near the drip rails, which will require metal repair or fabrication.